So how long ago did you start writing down all of your systems? Has that always been something that you did, or?
Yeah, I have to give it to Nate, my ops manager, on this. We've been working on this. I mean, probably, in earnest, probably 5 years or so. And it's going to take forever. There's no, we've got like kind of like all of our, or not all, but many of our, our methods documented. We actually are now working on a PM manual, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, it's a life's pursuit to get that all down on paper. But it helps, and also. The other thing is, in the trades, there's all different people coming from all different walks of life with different training, different backgrounds, and there's many ways to do a lot of things. And one thing we focus on with the team is like, hey, there's nothing wrong with your way or this other guy's way, but if we're all going to work together and we're all going to be, in the trenches together, working for a cause, working for a mission, which is like, quality work. We need to all be on the same page just about how we're doing it. No judgment on the other ways. I mean, obviously there's some judgment here or there, but so that's that's a good way to communicate that is to kind of like have something that we've all thought out. The way we do this, it seems like a lot of energy has gone into it, and a lot of heads have been on it, really thinking about how to do this stuff. So it's not just like me focusing my agenda on my old timey work from back in the 90s, which, most of the people that work here have never seen me pick up a tool. You know what I mean? So so all that stuff, all those reasons are kind of, why we do this,